welcome back. Yeah, it's been a while. I haven't YouTubed in a while, so we're gonna go back at it. It's because of this white stuff right here. Yeah, we got the trailer hooked up. We're gonna go and get a new project. A new project. A big new project. Alright guys. What is going on? It has been a little bit. Yeah. You'll see in this video that last night we did a little bit of snowbogging with the new quad. And we got other stuff happening too. Like these three. So we got some more projects coming this summer. I'm not doing it this winter. I don't have a garage. But this is a 1972 F100 two-wheel drive 390 motor. That one is a 1970 302 two-wheel drive. And Crown Vic. And you guys understand what's gonna happen now. Yeah. My brother actually made one, and I'm gonna make one too. And we're both gonna be twinning. It's gonna be awesome. So you guys may know the blue half-ton. I think the last video it was actually sitting right here in snow, or in summertime. It's wintertime now. It runs and drives, but it doesn't do what I want it to yet. It's not there yet. It's still got little tweaks and little things I gotta work out. So otherwise, it works, runs and drives. A little update for you guys. Here's another little update. So you guys may know the rally car. I approve. Well, I'll put it on the screen. I wrote it off. I hit a semi with it. So not my fault. Still here. But I replaced it with this guy. It is a 2-liter turboed Volkswagen Passat. It's lowered. And bought it. It's way too nice for me. It's got leather seats, leather everything. It's really freaking dirty right now. But I will probably have a little short video of it idling, because I straight piped it like first day out. I can't deal with anything quiet. And then we got this thing. This thing is my new daily. That's actually going to replace the Focus. It is a Focus. It is not as new as my other one. My other one was a 14. This is a 09. No, it's a 05. And it's going for safety soon. So, yeah. Miss. Well, I should have brought something else for my face. I didn't think I was going to be
Cold?
Yeah, a little bit, but it's okay.
Shocker.
I feel like Travis is just worried about breaking me coming in really hot.
I feel like he's gonna get it stuck down there.
That's where Austin got it stuck.
I definitely thought he was gonna get stuck. Mouse, come here!
Well, that's a shitty break. Oh, okay, retard does it again. I went past his little spot where he said, I think he said that you could go. I almost got stuck though. Over there.
Just so nice coming in.
That's Travis for you.
Oh! Holy fuck.
I didn't think it was gonna be that big. Ah, what the fuck?
I told you that's reverse!
I didn't think it was going to engage right away. Hey. Ah, dang it.
Why did you not expect it to jump? Mouse! Why is it going all the way backwards? Oh. Oh.
There he goes.
He's stuck.
Oh, it's moving.